Defying the barriers of age, gender and religion, the Indian women became the torch-bearer during the struggle for freedom in India. Discuss. Those saw words, thus marks. Introduction. Indian women played a vital role in the struggle for India's freedom, overcoming age, gender, and religious barriers. Their participation came from diverse backgrounds and social strata, showcasing a collective effort toward independence. Body. The involvement of Indian women in the freedom struggle significantly shaped India's history. Early resistance, leaders like Rani Lakshmibai, Rani Chennamma, and Begum Hazrat Mahal led armed rebellions against British rule, demonstrating immense courage and leadership. Swadeshi movement. From 1905 to 1908, women actively participated in the Swadeshi movement, boycotting British goods, promoting local industries, and engaging in protests against British policies. Non-cooperation and civil disobedience movements. During these movements, 1920 to 1922 and 1930 to 1934, women joined in boycotts, picketing liquor shops, and participating in the Salt March. Leadership in Congress. Women leaders like Sarojini Naidu and Annie Besant held significant positions in the Indian National Congress, shaping policies for the independence movement. Revolutionary activities. Figures like Bhikaji Kama and Kalpana Datta were involved in underground activities, spreading nationalist ideas and confronting British authorities. Quit India movement. Women like Aruna Asaf Ali and Usha Mehta organized protests and led local resistance during the 1942 movement. Conclusion. The contributions of Indian women in the freedom struggle not only helped achieve independence but also laid the groundwork for women's rights and gender equality in post-independence India.